You probably know that erectile dysfunction is affecting men over the age of 40 and increases as we get into our 50s and 60s and beyond. But did you know that recent statistics are showing that ED is becoming more and more common in younger men? If you're watching this, then you've probably been looking for solutions to help with erectile dysfunction, or you're simply looking for ways to improve sexual performance and intimacy. In this video, I'm comparing two powerful treatment options, the PShot and ApexRF. We'll talk about how they work and what makes them different and whether or not they can be used together. Let's get started. The PShot is short for Priapus Shot. It's harnessing the power of your own platelets to stimulate blood growth into the penile shaft. It's an injectable procedure where plasma is drawn from you, spun down, isolated, and re-injected into the penis. The goal is to improve erectile function and harness your own body's ability to heal. Apex, on the other hand, is a completely non-invasive technology that uses heat and energy to help stimulate collagen and blood flow into the penile shaft and the surrounding areas. There are no needles, no downtime. It's carried out over a series of sessions, and it's great for men who have early to moderate stages of erectile dysfunction to help improve their overall sexual performance. If you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and follow us. So this is where it really gets interesting. Can you combine the PShot and ApexRF? The answer is absolutely, especially if you want to drive a synergistic response. So while Apex helps with a physical foundation, more blood flow and tissue integrity, the PShot adds a regenerative boost that helps improve tissue growth and sensitivity. So think of Apex as helping to improve the plumbing, while the PShot is helping improve and optimizing the overall system. For the right candidate, the combination can provide stronger, longer lasting erections. To sum it up, ApexRF is a great non-invasive way to build more blood flow and structural support, especially in the early stages of ED. The PShot is a regenerative injection that leverages your own PRP to help improve function and performance. And when used together, they can provide a very powerful and complementary benefits. If you're curious to learn more about what Apex is and how it works, click on this video right here. If you're ready to take the next step towards improving your own sexual health, feel free to reach out in the link and description below. I'll see you next time.